She dances through the morning light, clever eyes and spirit bright. He stands steady, rooted in kind, a loyal heart, so calm in mind. She laughs at clouds and playful rain. He brings a stillness through the strain. She sees the world in shades and hues. He keeps it warm with quiet truth. I'm a fire monkey, playful, free. He's the wood horse, grounding me. Together we laugh, together we stay, a rhythm of love that never fades away. Through fields of flowers, through quiet streams, she sparks the day with all her dreams. He walks beside a steady flame, supporting her in every aim. She climbs, she leaps, exploring skies. He watches softly, patient eyes. Her clever mind, his guiding hand. Together rooted, there they stand. I'm the fire monkey, sparks in my hands, always in mischief, making my plans. He's the wood horse, gentle and wise, bringing the wood while I light the sky. I spill, I stumble, I trip, I fall. He laughs and steadies me through it all. Through little accidents, big and small, he keeps me safe. I have a ball. He gives me chocolate, a smile so true, simple little things that say I love you. A quiet touch, a laugh, a cheer, moments with him I hold so dear. I'm the fire monkey, he's the wood horse, two souls united on life's course. Through every laugh, through every tear, we are together, year to you.